করে সেই মজা পাচ্ছি। এত মজা আমার স্বামীও আমাকে দিতে পারেনি।
So many of you have been asking for this tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of skydiving video using VO3, and I'll be showing you the exact prompt. So this is, we are going to use Gemini Flash. This is the model we are going to use, and I have another video. If you don't have access to VO3 inside your Gemini, then you can check out that video. So when you enable this PO3, then you can get this sound and audio and everything, and you can also be able to generate videos in your language. Here in my case, I'm going to show you how you can generate in Bengali. So this is my prompt, and I'm going to explain you how you can do it. So first of all, you have to give the description of the person you want. So as you can see, I have given a Bangladeshi older aged auntie wearing shari. So this is, you can see she is wearing sari, and she is a middle or older aged. If you want, you can make it like looking some young girl or anything, maybe 2 or 3 person. So anything you want, you have to give the description right here in this section. Then you have to define the perspective, how it looks. So as you can see, extended arm. So I explained it. Shoot from a extended arm perspective. So as a selfie stick, you mean. Then we have a selfie camera, so like the vlogging. And then in the bracket you have to give the atmosphere, how it looks. So she is doing skydive, falling from the sky and excited, how she looks. And then we can say that she says in Bengali or any other language you prefer, and then give the text in that language. In this way you will be get this exact result, and I show you again the video.
স্কাই ডাইভিং করে সেই মজা পাচ্ছি। এত মজা আমার স্বামীও আমাকে দিতে পারেনি। স্কাই ডাইভ
So that was it. This is very easy. You have to just give the prompt exactly like this, and you will be getting this similar result. And if you want to remove anything from this video, I have another video how you can remove subtitle or maybe different kind of uh, imperfection from your VO3 videos. You can check out that video also. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.